She watched the rain dance on the glass, each droplet a tiny world of its own. The air smelled so fresh, carrying the earthy scent of wet soil and blooming flowers. With a deep breath, she opened her book, the pages whispering as they turned. The rain outside seemed to echo the rhythm of her heart, a peaceful symphony that lulled her into a serene state of mind. The worries of the week melted away, replaced by the gentle embrace of the rainy day. As the hours passed, the rain grew heavier, a steady downpour that washed away the dust